11 hours since I mixed up the dough last night. It's 8 o'clock this morning. And when I make up this dough in the morning, I will smell the dough, and if it has a nice yeasty, weedy smell, I'll know that it fermented just right, especially if you can see these bubbles and it's nice and fermented and foamy. If it smells sour, it means that it's fermented too long and the bread will be very sour. So what you would do is add a little bit less starter or ferment the dough less time. Like if you did 10 or 11 hours, try 8 or 9 hours. The other thing you could do is to have your dough a little bit cooler. So there's a few things that you can do to make sure it's not too sour in the morning. See how warm the dough is. It's 68 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what I thought it would be. And let's see our window pane. We've got a pretty nice window pane. It's fluid. It's not real strong, but it certainly holds together pretty well. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is folding and shaping here all at the same time. So I folded the dough once last night before I went to bed. It was about 10:30, and you can see all the nice fermentation here, the nice gluten structure. So before I do a final shaping or final fold on that, I'm going to spray the pan. So this is a regular 9 by 5 by 3 inch bread pan. It holds about 1 kilo of dough. So we have our pan ready there. Let's go ahead and finish shaping our bread. Doesn't really need a lot of shaping, just do what you can to get it into a decent shape to pop into the bread pan. I think I'll go one more time in the opposite direction here. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in the pan. And I got my hand wet. I'm going to press it down and tuck it down in the pan so it's more evenly distributed. There we go. So now we'll let it final proof until it reaches about the top of the pan here, and then we'll bake it off, and we'll have some lovely bread this morning. This is 100% hydration and 100% organic whole wheat that was freshly ground.